interest in grinding from scratch led me to grind other things so that I could create a wholesome food product in everything that I use. I wanted to put together something, some combination, some blend that would give me that flavor. Superior Breakfast Mix is my favorite product. So this product for me is targeted at the whole family, especially the families with school-age children. If you use our buckwheat-based product, which we call Superior Fufu, you realize that you will enjoy fufu, the feeling of fufu. It is made with milled buckwheat, we have flaxseed, we have wheat germ, we have some other things to give you your protein, your vitamins, to give you your other nutritional values that you need. So our premium fufu is oat-based, but it's more than oat. It has other ingredients like flax seeds, wheat germ. It gives you a feeling of yam fufu, a feeling of soft garlic, and yet it doesn't give you that sleepy feeling. Now the dumpling flour is special to me because there's a whole lot of people who love dumpling. We have put together a blend that we believe is nutritious and wholesome. That's the whole essence. It's wholesome. It's not the empty, overly processed flour that you're used to. It's a high quality dumpling flour. So essentially you can use it any way you use your dumpling flour. Our goal is to give you the food you love, the way you like it, but we will supplement it. That's why we call it health enhancement. We guarantee the quality of our products, and therefore we encourage you to try it.